Check out our newest update. There's now a quick resubscribe link right within the unsubscribe success message. This feature is going to allow users and subscribers to easily rejoin your email list, enhancing communication and retention. Let's talk about those benefits. First of all, this is an easy and convenient way to resubscribe. It's also going to improve retention because now if they accidentally click something, they can go ahead and resubscribe easily. It's also going to enhance your communication. As far as practical use goes, now when a customer accidentally unsubscribes from your email list, they can quickly and easily resubscribe using the link provided in the unsubscribe success message, ensuring they don't miss out on any important updates or promotions. Let me show you exactly where this is. This is within the marketing tab on the left-hand navigation. Then you're going to go up into the upper navigation under campaigns, and you're either going to create a new or edit an existing campaign. Now, once you have created your email, you're going to go over to the upper right-hand corner to the send or subscribe button. After you click on that, you're going to configure and select those contacts. Now, when they see that unsubscribe link, which is automatically built in, you don't actually need to do anything. You are going to notice that there is now at the bottom a quick link to resubscribe. Here you can see it enlarged. It's super easy. When they click on it, they are going to have this option, and it's really easy to just simply click and resubscribe. This feature makes it simple for users to rejoin your email list, improving retention and maintaining effective communication. We hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.